Let's start with the class of science. We're going to talk about water cycle. Now, I have one question for all of you class. I have one question. Do you know where does it goes all the water after it's raining?
Um,
Oh,
No?
I think it's
on the floor.
the floor.
To the floor.
Yeah.
So after it's raining, goes to the floor, and where is going to see
Evaporation.
that
And
water
it
there?
evaporate. And
It
it goes to
evaporates,
the clouds and it goes again raining.
and it goes different words. What is the slide? Or we'd say the water cycle, but it follows the water when it's raining. When it rains, as you say, it goes to the ground, to the floor, but then it has a process also. It's not going to stay there, the water. It's going to continue the process to run off there, and it's going to start again the same process. So I'm not sure. Do you see the presentation?
Yeah.
Yes?
But I see unas cosas como un cuadrado gris.
Sorry?
Veo como un cuadrado gris con unas rayas.
Okay, there it is. Yeah, it's the connection. I see, because I cannot see you. I don't see you. So I'm not sure if you are seeing the presentation. Maybe it's because of that you see there, that like it. But you see the picture of C22,
Yeah.
the picture, yeah, C22? Okay,
Yeah.
we're going to start with that. Let's see, let's give some chance to this, the computer, and that it passes this, and then let's see what happens. Now,
What happened to the owl?
Yeah. Yeah.
Owl. Como una bocina, pero acá
Una bocina potente.
sorry?
escuché una bocina, pero bien fuerte.
No, bocina. But you listen to me, maybe it's the
Yeah.
background that can be here. Okay, it says the water cycle class. As you mentioned, the water cycle, it has a process. So we're going to talk about this cycle. Remember that the last class we talked about how the clouds they were formed. So it's related to this topic also. So the water that you see that there in the lakes, in the ponds, in the rivers, in the oceans, also it evaporates. That it forms the evaporation process, both evaporation, condensation, precipitation, runoff, and it continues all this process every single time that you see here that is rain, then the water goes to the ground, it run off, then evaporate. Now when it evaporates, you see, we have the information for each of them. It then goes to the condensation, is when you see the clouds, that they are formed, the little tiny drops of water. Then you see this tiny drops of water that they join together, they form the clouds, and they are like gray. When you see the color gray, you know that that day is gonna be a rainy day. It's gonna rain. So then it starts raining, the water goes down. Now, let's see, Lucia, can you help me to read what it says condensation?
Yeah.
Okay.
When warm, moist air touches a window, water vapor condenses, tiny water drops form on the window.
Okay.
Water vapor also condenses high in the air. As the water vapor condenses, clouds are formed.
Excellent. So you see, the water vapor is because of the heat of the sun that it goes to the water, so it creates this evaporation, condensation, and then they form that tiny drops of water that is a cloud. Now, the condensation, we don't have like a point where we can start when we talk about water cycle. Then we go to precipitation. We just follow this area, it's a process. From the condensation, when the water vapor condensates, the clouds they are formed. And what happened when the clouds are formed? We have a precipitation. What? Okay, let's see. Who wants to read what is precipitation? There is information. Oh, hello. Oh,
Regresó, Miss.
Hello, me.
Hello.
¿Qué pasó?
And how to get high and
okay. Oh, hello. Let's see. I was given the class and then I realized that I was stuck in a line. Nobody was there in the class. There was a connection
Que
problem.
compártela.
Okay, now you don't see the presentation.
Your camera.
Okay, just hold on. Let's see. I'm going to turn it on.
Camera is great.
Mejor internet. Hola, mi, ¿cómo estás?
I'm going to share here. Hello again. I'm going to share the presentation. Do you see the presentation now without the gray line?
To Georgie.
Yeah.
No.
Let's continue here.
oh,
You don't see the presentation? No?
More or less. More or less.
More or less?
I see it. I see.
Normal, like you see every time?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's continue. So, precipitation. Who wants to help me to read? Lucia help me to read condensation now. Who wants to read precipitation class? Khaled. Okay, Khaled, help me to read the information that is on the slide.
Precipitation, water drops from the clouds. It's raining time to get out the umbrella and look for photos to try. Increase
Nosy.
temperature, the water falls as snow. Most precipitation falls over the ocean.
Excellent. So precipitation, and what you see when it's raining, the clouds there is a precipitation, there is going to be a storming, and you see the water is going down, it's falling down. See, as a snow. Okay, then we have the runoff. The next one, who wants to read the next information that we have in the water cycle? Volunteer, another volunteer. Rebecca, thank you, Rebecca.
As water reaches the ground, some back into the ground, runs down into pad, sand, drink, or lake, then that will cloudy starts again.
Okay, so thank you. That is for the runoff. Then go to evaporation. Volunteer for reading the evaporation cycle.
Teacher, I know see.
I want to read evaporation.
Okay, Joshua, read evaporation, please.
Okay, evaporation. A puddle shrinks as water evaporates into the earth. Water also evaporates from oceans, lakes, and rivers. However, you don't notice the water lost from these large bodies of water. The warmer the air, the faster the water enters the air as water vapor.
Okay, thank you. So that is evaporation. As you see, then it starts to condensate one more time, and we go to precipitation, and it starts over the cycle. That's why it's called life cycle, water life cycle.
different ways in which
Yes? Now let's continue here. We have a video, so pay attention to the video class. We have a video. Pay attention to the video. You don't listen? Oh, okay, yeah. Let me share the sound. Okay, so now let's see. Well, it's not working here. I'm going to display the video later. Let's see. Now, we're going to copy this. Let's copy, yes. We're going to watch the video, but later. We're going to draw the water cycle part. The water cycle. So, draw the water cycle and write the information that is here. That's why I was telling you that you can
have to write the information.
Yes, copy the information, draw this, use colors, markers. So draw
What
something.
information?
You don't see the information?
Yeah.
Ya lo mío el vídeo.
No, you don't see it?
Yes, I see it.
The water cycle?
The video. The watch this video. Pick a book.
Don't you see the picture that says the water cycle copy and then we have the water cycle picture? No? Can you listen to me, class?